guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on settings, then it's going to take us to this list here. Click here on general. When you just click here on general, it's going to take you to next here. Come here to share future usage. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going that's mean here share future usage disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I gave it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.